So there's a new year on the way, and for most of you, you will be thinking about your New Year's resolutions and how will you actually achieve your goals in 2026. Now I want to give you 3 things that you can do to make sure that you achieve every single goal that you set yourself for 2026. And the very first thing that you want to focus on is consistency. Make sure that you are consistent. So whatever goals you set, you need to understand that what are the things that you're going to have to do on a daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, half-yearly basis to consistently pursue that goal. The second thing that you need to focus on is perseverance, because most of the time what is standing between you and your goals is not your ability to do it, but your ability to persevere. So focus on the difficult times when it's cold, when it's raining, when you're tired, is just to make sure that you persevere, continuously get up, continuously do the things that you've said you're going to consistently do, and persevere through the difficult times to make sure that the only thing you do is not quit. And the third thing that you need to do is you need to understand what is the reward. So go write down for yourself, not just that these are the goals that I want to achieve, but why am I aiming to achieve them? What is the reward, the bucket that lies at the end of that rainbow when I achieve that goal in 2026? Because when you are being consistent and persevere, those things will be hard, and you need something to hold on to remind yourself why you have decided to chase these goals in the first place. So do these 3 things and I promise you, you will achieve every single goal that you set yourself for 2026.